Good morning, Indira Shah here. Today I'll be showing you how to make kichiya or kichu. It's actually a papad dough. For this you need 2 cups of any measurement you take. Today I have taken 2 cups of rice flour, okay, akki hittu. This is the measurement cup I have taken. If you have taken 1 cup, you have to take double the water. So I have taken 2 cups of rice flour. This is store-bought rice flour. I will be taking 4 cups of water. So 4 cups of water I have taken. So keep it for boiling. Now allow the water to boil well. Now add the required salt. And this is ajwain seeds. You can also add jeera, but ajwain is good for health, for digestion. So I'm adding ajwain seeds, about a spoon of ajwain seeds or carom seeds. Okay, it gives a very good taste. In the meantime, make a paste of chili and ginger, green chili and ginger. Make a paste and keep it. If you add it now, it may not be okay. So you add after it boils. Add a pinch of soda. If you have papad kara, that is alkaline salt, you can add it, but I don't have it now, so I'm adding just a pinch of soda. Now the water is boiling. This is the natural color of the carom seeds. Now add a spoon of oil. Now add the required ginger and chili paste. Whatever the pungent this thing you need, you can add it. Now you need to add the rice flour slowly. Okay, keep the flame on low now. Now mix it well. Always keep some boiled water aside, because if you feel the water is less, you can always add it. Otherwise the boiled water will not go waste. You can drink it, because during this corona season they say drinking hot water is always good. So mix it well like this, without any lump. That is the reason we add oil, so the lump will not be formed. Cook it for about just 5 minutes, not more than that, because after this again you will be boiling. I'll show you the process. Because each rice flour differs. Sometimes the rice flour takes more water, sometimes it takes less water. Sometimes you will not know whether the salt is sufficient or not. So what you do is, when you add the salt into the water, just taste the water. So you will know whether the salt is less or more. If it is more, then add little more water, but try to add little by little. If you feel you wouldn't know the measurement. Okay, now this is done. Allow this to cool. After you cool, then you have to make a ball like thing and boil. I'll just show you now. I'll put off the flame now. I'll allow this to cool. Keep it covered. Now see, it is cooled. Now I have made equal balls. Here I have kept water here water, and I've kept this for steaming. So what you do is, here, make a ball and just flatten like this and keep it for boiling. Here, boil for about 20 minutes. 20 minutes will be sufficient. Just like a dumplings. Now steam it for 20 minutes. I'll come back to you. Now this is more than 20 minutes. Let me put off the flame. Let the cooker cool. Prepare this. The ingredients, most of the ingredients will be available in your house anytime. So this is a very tasty snack. You can prepare it for breakfast or for evening snack, anything. Anytime this can be eaten. Very simple, very tasty. Here. Now let this get cooled. Okay, once it is cooled, I'll show you how to do the plating. Now the plating is ready. On this you have to sprinkle gingerly. This is not fried or anything. Yellow sesame seeds. Then you need to sprinkle red chilies. Now on this you need to add oil. This is not cooked oil or anything. This is just the kacha oil. Any oil you take, but groundnut oil tastes better. Here. Now this is how we eat kichu or kichia. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it today and press the bell button for subscription. And thank you again. I wish you prepare this and give me your sincere feedback. Thank you again. Bye bye.